Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming drivers and OS compatibility. Install the V8 driver if needed. Next, power the amplifier off because you want clean connections and no pops. Connect the V8's main outputs to the amplifier's input using balanced TRS or XLR cables. This reduces noise. Once done, set the V8 output level to unity or -10 dB as a safety baseline, and make sure the amplifier gains are at minimum so you can bring levels up gradually. Now you configure routing on the V8. Choose main left/right or a summed mono bus depending on your speaker setup, because correct routing prevents phase and channel issues. Then, enable any low latency monitoring and select sample rate to match the amplifier or DSP. Once done, send a low-volume test tone from the V8 and slowly raise the amplifier input sensitivity until you see nominal level. This ensures proper gain staging and avoids clip. Finish by bringing the amplifier's gain to the desired listening level while monitoring the V8 and amp meters. Make small adjustments so peaks never clip. Make sure any EQ or limiter in the V8 is set conservatively, because aggressive processing can overload the amp. If you hear hum or buzz, try changing cables, lifting ground, or using a ground loop isolator. These steps fix most noise issues. Finally, reboot both devices and verify stability before full use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.